Winnie, I'm busy. Consult your mother.
Daddy, it is just one word confusing me in that statement.
Do your ears function properly? Go to your mother.
Mother, what does this word mean?
Mommy, what does this word mean? I'm busy, Winnie.
I have no time for that. Talk to your dad.
He's just on his laptop.
He says he is also busy.
My husband, why can't you help Winnie? I'm busy. My daily data is running out. That is something I'm watching. I'm also busy. I'm busy on my laptop.
Dad, I have got consult from app. Has a phone which has internet.
My husband, why have you allowed Winnie to move out when dressed? My husband, why have you allowed Winnie to move out dressed so poorly like that? And it's getting late evening. A school child? But she has got to consult from her friend. Is that bad? Are we minding about that girl's education? Woman, give me a break. My duty as a man is to feed my family well, dress them, meet medical bills, name it, and I am doing it very well, though not employed. Who told you that shaping a child is only about feeding? That girl needs to be guided to complete her education. If not, she'll end up in tears. Good evening, Tata Winnie. Good evening, Mama Winnie. Good evening, Nalo. Tata Winnie, how could you allow that girl move out like that? Almost naked and very late. Has she gone for preps? Nalongo, is it the reason you are here? Nalongo, stop poking your nose into matters which do not concern you. It is too much, Tata Winnie, and I have met her several times, speaking heavy words, walking with a cabina swinging in air like a kata. Give me 2 examples of such words she speaks. Nalongo, heavy words? I am scared. She may lose her life. She is not guided. Are you aware she has a mobile phone? A school girl? No longer. Do whatever has brought you and move out of my sight. Mama Winnie, may I pick some fire? I am disappointed. And that is exactly what people think of us. That we shall not achieve anything from that girl. Do not take the position of God. She will achieve in her education. Me, I know. My neighbors, the foundation of that child must be dug at home. Let her be guided to be useful to our nation. But she is immoral. Woman, enough. Go and shape yours. I don't think that Nalongo is wrong. I think we have not done our part. Winnie is getting off track. Off track, off track. Let her get off track and you see who will lose. Don't Tisa. Never. This should be the last time for you to move out when naked and what discussion took you out. Mommy, I had gone for a discussion. And when did you start being immoral? Someone told me that you speak heavy obscene words. Obscene words? Like which one? And that may be Nalongo who told you. Hey, eshitegeza ne yakusanga ngomokola kagambo mmanyi. Salam alaikum, Mama Winnie. Mama Winnie, warn your daughter to leave my son. If you are failed to shape your child, she should not spoil mine. Mine is a sure student in school, not like yours. This is the second time you can attack me in my home. Next time you do it, I will show you that I am a complete man in my home. Subhanallah. Kato, this girl is becoming a very nuisance because the home where she comes from has failed to play its duty to shape her. I found them watching pornographic videos. I stood behind them. But what I saw, Subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what do you expect that to what? When they have modern mobile phones, how do you must get it from my mouth? Stay at. Tell your wasted son to leave my daughter. Kato, do you see this banger? Be warned. Mama win. Mama win. Do not. Mama win. Do not. Mama win. Start planning to become Haji's PPT wife. Never conspire with my enemies. Ato, let me educate you. It is our responsibility to guide these youngsters to complete their education cycle. Time will come for you to cry. Haji must get it from my mouth. Stay at your butchers and sell your meat. Go and sell your bien. Do not intimidate me. Ato, I am going. Should I ever find your daughter with my son? Kato, should I ever find your daughter with my son? Are you the only one with a panga? Winnie, come over here. What relationship do you have with Aunt? And who bought you that mobile phone you own?
Which app do that Android mobile phone?
Haji Musa's son.
He is my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
We just
do what? Winnie! Woman, you are scared of that girl. Speak to her softly.
I don't think that you shall bring this girl right. That's my Jolina.
Let her own her phone, but responsibly. Some of these things she must learn them at school. That is why I pay a lot of money to school. Do not make me do that child's work.
Teacher's work indeed. My husband, what best values have we taught that girl here at home? Morals? Responsibilities? Neither. Doing domestic work? Abana. Spiritual life? What have we done really? You don't allow that girl to do any work here at home.
Mr. Kato and your wife, your neighbors and some other village members are complaining about your daughter.
Good evening, Chairperson.
I intended not to greet you. Mr. Kato and your daughter are too arrogant. She has no respect for anyone. I found her with Abudu, Haji's son, behaving like they are married to each other. Just by the trading center. When I tried to talk to them, Abudu was apologetic. But your daughter, she abused me every nasty word on this world.
Chairperson, next words? Like which one? My daughter cannot do what you are saying. She is busy with her books.
This is to warn you, Kato. Should we get her involved in any case,